Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be making some cheese graham biscuits. I'm going to turn this one can into some cheesy, awesome biscuits, okay? And we'll be right back. You better wash your hands. You're going to get right into these biscuits. I already opened up the biscuits. What I'm going to do, I'm going to split them in half. You know it comes with 8, right? So we're going to make 16. And you want it to have it room temperature so it's easy to work with. Red Lobster ain't got nothing on this. Okay? You're going to take them and pull them in half. Doesn't matter. And what you're going to do, you're going to get you some cheese. You're going to stuff it with the cheese. Yes, 3 is good. Because what you're going to do, you're going to roll this out into a ball. And you're going to also add your little seasoned butter dressing on top. I'll do one more and show you guys. And I got this cheese from Aldi's. You can get this cheese at any supermarket. It's better to work with the cubes. Okay, now I'm going to line these up, and I'm going to come back and show you how I do my butter sauce. Be right back. Also, guys, you can add mozzarella to this. If you're going to add mozzarella, just use 2 cubes of cheese, because we're going to top it with cheese also. So you just don't want to be too, you want it to be cheesy, but you don't want to be constipated. Okay? Destiny, what are you doing? Also, guys, you can add some mozzarella to it. But if you add the mozzarella, just use 2 cubes of cheese. This is going to be some cheesy awesomeness. You roll it. You want to lock it in. To this pan, I just added a stick of butter. And I'm just going to add all these seasonings that I have up here. We don't want the pan to be too high, so just on the medium low. And you're going to let that butter melt. Add some black pepper. About a half a tablespoon. A teaspoon. Add some Italian seasoning. Add to your liking. How much you want to add to it, you can always alter the recipe. Oh, this is some garlic powder here. Oh, don't want to come off. Okay. Got some ginger. That's like 3 dabs. And I got some garlic paste. You can use that, or you can use the garlic powder. But I'm going to use this. And I use about 4 squeezes of it. Right. Let that simmer down. You don't want to add no salt or anything. Pepper. If you want to even add some red pepper flakes to this will be good too. And now you're just going to keep simmering it down to your liking. If you want to add more seasoning to this, you can be my guest. Alrighty? This is the way it looks. turn the fire off. Now we're going to add this to the biscuits. We're back. You can use your biscuits in a skillet, a cast iron skillet. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can use this. But make sure you keep all the biscuits together because they're going to rise. If you keep them separated, they're going to be spaced out and it's not going to look good. So what I'm going to do now, you see how thick this is? I'm going to butter it up. I wish we had smell-o-vision. It smells so good. Love garlic. And make sure your oven is preheated to like 375. And we're gonna cook these for like 25 minutes. I'm gonna add more cheese on the top. You already got the cheese inside. Just drizzle, 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 drizzle. Don't worry, because it's gonna be cooking. You're gonna add the cheese and it's gonna stick, okay? You can use any cheese you like. Mozzarella, cheddar, Gouda, whatever your taste buds call for. Make sure it's all coated. You could do this on a Sunday morning, some sausage, some eggs. Add the rest. Drizzle. This takes less than 10 minutes to make. All you're doing is rolling it out. You add your cheese inside, put this in the oven. My oven's already preheated, and we'll be back with the finishing results.